welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar and salad bar. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes. I'm going to do a celery drink. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's going to be celery, fresh mint and lemon. You blend it up together, strain it, and you can drink it and see exactly what's happened to your body and your immune system. I know you guys will love this recipe. It's a very unique recipe, very simple, and something to help you to detox and clean out your immune system. There's a lot of people allergic to celery because celery is a allergy, so you have to be careful. If you're not allergic, you can use it, so be careful of celery. Do some research before you use it. All right guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and remember the t-shirt is out. Get your t-shirt. Stay tuned and see the way I make it. Very easy recipe guys, stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So I got my blender right here, and this is all I'm going to do. Just get some celery and put it inside of it. I got some lemon right there, and I'm gonna simple. If you notice what I'm doing, got some fresh mint. I'm gonna put some fresh mint also inside of it. This is a very, very good drink. So I'll make sure I wash off my ingredients first. I got some lemon, which I'm going to also use inside of it. This is just some leftover stuff I did have, and I decided to make a nice lovely drink from it because it's not good to waste stuff. And I love to use my natural ingredients and things to make things at home. So if you're at home and you feel bored, this is something where you can also do. Alright, put in all of my ingredients, lovely and nice. Then we're going to put a little bit of water inside of it. I want you guys to please enjoy this simple little drink recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. We got a lot more recipe coming out, and a lot more ideas will be coming out from Chef Ricardo and the team. Alright, so this is what's gonna happen. So we're gonna be blending this about 4 to 5 seconds. So basically I want you to get you need to get your blender cool down a little bit. Lovely. Simple recipe and simple ideas. All right. Can add honey if you like, but honestly I like it natural. Many people know all the years I've been doing all different kind of drink. Drink this for at least 4 or 5 days straight in the morning or straight through the day, and see exactly what happened to your body with this drink. This is very good for you, good for detoxing, clean out your immune system, weight loss. You can put apple cider vinegar in it, and also you can drink it first thing in the morning. I want to say, guys, it's a very good drink, and please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. This is just a normal drink, very healthy and good for you. Celery with fresh mint, cucumber, and also is also good for you. So guys, I want to take the time out to say thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we got a lot more recipe like this will be coming, and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Don't forget to subscribe and click in the bell, and don't forget to drink this first thing in the morning. Look at that, nice and lovely celery and fresh mint, and if you have ginger, you can put a little bit of fresh ginger in it also. It's just simple drink like this is very good. Take the time out to say thank you, and stay tuned, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.